I was watching another YouTuber who said that she has made these Jiffy corn muffins using only water. They generally call for egg and milk. So if these can be made using only water, that is definitely a great thing. If you don't have refrigeration for milk and eggs, or if you're in a situation where you can't afford to buy any milk and eggs right now, these muffin mixes at Walmart are like 50 cents. So I'm going to put this to the test and we'll see how they are and how they taste and if this really works. All right, I've just dumped the contents of the corn muffin mix into a bowl. The directions call for a third a cup of milk and 1 egg. So we're going to do a liquid equivalent with water. So I'm going to put in a third a cup of, this is the water, a third a cup of water. And then I looked up what an egg is, and it's 3 tablespoons. So here's the extra 3 tablespoons to compensate for the egg. All right, I'm just gonna mix this up till moistened. Generally with muffins, you don't want to have a smooth batter like for a cake. It's just enough that it's moistened and lumps are okay. I don't know why that is. The configuration of the ingredients, I guess. So, okay, all mixed up, and I usually get about 7 or 8 of these muffins in my Dollar Tree pans. You might get 6 if you have deeper muffin pans, but these hold the equivalent of 7 or 8. All right, I got 8 muffins. Again, the number of muffins you get is going to depend on the size of your muffin, your muffin pan and how much you put in, etc., etc. As I said, for the Dollar Tree pan, this seems to work out fine. I'm going to put them in my preheated 400-degree oven, and we'll see what happens. All right, I just pulled them out of the oven. They smell good. I put a knife in. It came out clean. One thing I've noticed is they did not puff up as high as they do when they are when they have eggs and milk in them. So we'll just see how they are when I pull off the paper and we give them a try. Well, here they are. Eddie and I tried one, opened one up and ate it. Outside of the fact it didn't rise as much as it usually does, the flavor was fine and it really wasn't possible to tell the difference. So with a little bit of butter and honey, like I used to eat them, it's going to be just fine and just delicious. Well, you can make cornmeal muffins, Jiffy cornmeal muffins with water, which is kind of a nice thing to know. Again, if you don't have any refrigeration or if you're in a situation where you can't access milk or eggs. Right now, I'm a tiny bit stressed. There's been a fire down the road for us for about a week, the glass fire, and it's broken through. We're packing up the car. We're still on evacuation warnings, but it is getting very close. They've turned off the power about a mile away from us. So hopefully I'll be back in this kitchen cooking soon. Maybe we won't have to leave it all, but I feel we will. I just don't know what to think. Anyway, God bless all those affected by the fires, all those affected by all sorts of things. Life is very unexpected. Love you all, and I'll be back soon.